guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you my skincare and body care routine. So I've never done a skincare and body care routine before, so I thought it would be a good idea to share it with you guys. Now the products that I'm going to be using today are going to be by Bella Vita Organic. Now Bella Vita Organic is a body care brand which is homegrown, which means that all its products are natural and they are all made in India. Now why I like Bella Vita Organic is because they are sustainable, they are certified Ayurveda, and also they are all natural. Another thing that I like about them is that their products don't contain any harsh chemicals and are highly affordable. Now one thing about brands like Bella Vita Organic are that they are not very familiar with marketing, so they don't use the money in marketing. Instead they save the money and they invest it in their products to make the quality better. They don't approach celebrities for endorsements, so bloggers like us should support this homegrown brand. So let's get started. The very first thing that I use is the Bella Vita Organic Glowy. So basically this is a 3-in-1 miracle with a mask, scrub and a cleanser. It contains walnut, which scrubs away dull and dry skin, pink clay, which deeply cleanses impurities, and rose with natural butters for smooth skin. To use it, just spread it all over your face and even the neck if you want. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Then rinse it off with water while scrubbing and massaging. So this was the very first step of my skincare routine. Now moving on to step number 2, this is the product that I use. It is the Bella Vita Organic Sea Glow Face Wash. Now this contains vitamin C, sandalwood, honey, coffee, neem and lemon. It is a delicate blend of vitamin C, coffee and sandalwood that cleanses the skin and removes dirt. It also contains honey, which is a natural cleansing agent. So to use it, just use it like any other face wash. Gently massage it all over your face for 15 to 30 seconds and just wash it off. Now the third step is the lips. To exfoliate my lips, I use the Bella Vita Organic Nico Lip Scrub. So I got this like a few months ago and I've been using it ever since. It is like my favorite product, and I just gently take it and massage it all over my lips. So this contains walnut, beetroot and natural butter, which helps in exfoliating your lips and leaves them rosy and soft. So the fourth step of my routine is exfoliation. So I use the Bella Vita Organic Exfoliate Face and Body Scrub Grit. So why I like this is that it removes dead skin, detans and polishes the skin as well. Its texture looks like something I've never seen before. It feels soft and not harsh like other scrubs. It contains walnut, coffee, coconut oil and rock salt, which scrubs away very dull skin and leaves it glowing. To use this, you can mix it with any other skincare product of your choice and convert it into a scrub. Then simply massage it onto your body for 2 minutes and wash it off. So the fifth and final step of my body care and skincare routine is moisturizing. So I use the Bella Vita Organic Glotion, which is the face and body lotion. It is loaded with goodness of cocoa and shea butter. It is an intense repair formula which enhances your glow, reduces dryness and provides 24-hour nourishment with deep moisturization. So my skin has been very dry lately and this product has literally saved me. It has made my skin all nice and smooth, soft and nourished. So I really like this product. So guys, that is all for this video. I really hope you all like it. Also, all of these items will be linked in the description box below, so make sure that you check it out. Follow me on my Instagram and Twitter. Subscribe and turn on the notification, and I'll see you guys in my next video now. Bye.